Following the science fair, I've come to the conclusion that I need a bigger and better science project. A few weeks ago, I heard about this anti-hero named Venom. In using this, I will incorporate the essential and basic designs of this into an exosuit. To give a nice background of the project that I'm working on, here's some notes I've jotted down to familiarize yourself with the whole idea and lore per se of the plant. The physical nature of the symbiotes are as such. The aliens form a symbiotic bond with their hosts, in which where a single entity is created, they can also enhance their hosts, or more like vice versa, equaling stronger features, accuracy, and control. Venom can also shapeshift, meaning that he can change the size and shape of his person at will. Symbiotes can form weapons from genetic material and heal their hosts. Venom in particular forms neural connection, resulting in high awareness, and this brings us to the mental nature. When a symbiote bonds with a host, they influence their decision. This results in amplified sensors since they are hooked into the neural system. The symbiote and host are two separate entities working together in one body. You might be wondering how this all relates, and I'm glad you asked. In case all you guys are just like freaking out, they're like, oh my goodness, this guy's turning a Marvel thinking into real life technology. This is insane. This is not going to happen. Like, look guys, okay, I have an hypothesis here. I'll help you out understand further on this concept. If we take a character from the Marvel Universe, then this can be implemented into technology through modern tech. Hey guys, if you're still there, I just encourage you guys to hit the subscribe button and bop the like button. That'll just make my day. Thank you guys. And now, back to the analysis. The Experimental Navigation Defense Exoskeleton Robotic Ender is the direct output from Venom, although other details, such as Spider-Man, speed and agility, and Whiplash, Exosuit. Though not a real exosuit, you guys get the point. Sensors, the Arduino senses electric neural signals and forwards the data to the processor. The Arduino in turn makes the sensors more, thus an exosuit. Buttons, switches, and potentiometers would activate and adjust hardware/software applications. Ender would have to be built in a series of stages or marks. With my current state of industry, it has to be built in sections. At the start of the spectrum, we have a 3D printed left arm. Naturally, since I'm right-handed, it should be there to increase power. Mark 2 is your basic upper body suit with improved comm interface. If we travel all the way to our Mark 7, we have our final paint job, enhanced armor. Could go in a variety of areas. Armament would also be applied to the suit. We see here that we have significant progression. Now, all we have to do is build it.